let's say I want to verify some state. I write my unit test in pretty much the same way, whether I tend to verify state, function or behaviour. So I'll start out with a setup which sets the subject of the test into a specific initial state and also sets up the fixture into the state which it needs to be. It needs to be assembled, it needs to be constructed into a particular state so I can use it during the exercisement which comes next. Within each test case I exercise the subject and then I verify the state at the end. Now, if you have compound state, by which I mean you're looking at the object being in a state which involves more than one variable. The problem you have is that may lead you to writing more than one assert. So the blanket rule that, only one assert per test case is a good one, but you need to understand it conceptually. What you're doing is you're exercising the subject, then you're looking at the state. Sometimes looking at the state, looking at compound state means interrogating multiple methods. I find actually a lot of the time, if it is a true compound state you're looking for, that should be pushed into the subject anyway, with a single interrogative method. So, if I've got 5 different fields which add together to some sort of Boolean property, which I might intend to test by testing the values of each, I don't think it's unreasonable to make a specific method in there which is compound state. Is in whatever compound state I'm interested in. Alternatively, if that's not really reasonable, I will factor out those multiple ones and embed within the test class a function. Make it a method call which goes and verifies the compound state. So then I only have one conceptual assert, even though that might be implemented as a sequence of the ones. Well, how does this help? Well, the problem you have is state may change between invocations. And when this breaks the test case, if you're not sure which is exercisement and which is interrogation, finding out, verifying what state the object is in, it's very, very difficult to maintain that test. So, yes, just do one assert, conceptually, but to interrogate a compound state you might require more than one statement to do it. And if so, if it's not appropriate to put it into the object, which almost always I think it is, then put it as a method in the test class.